Meaning of ghee.
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 Ghee. Ghee is a type of clarified butter that is commonly used in South Asian cuisine. It is made by heating butter until the milk solids separate from the butterfat and then straining out the solids. What remains is a clear, golden liquid with a nutty flavor and a high smoke point, making it ideal for cooking and frying. Ghee is also considered to have some health benefits, such as aiding in digestion and providing healthy fats. It is a staple ingredient in many Indian dishes and is gaining popularity in Western cuisine as well.